Hey, artists and creatives! If you're looking to level up your digital artwork in 2025, you're in the right place. With so many incredible drawing tablets hitting the market, it can be tough to choose the right one. That's why in today's video, we're breaking down the best drawing tablets of 2025, the top picks that combine cutting-edge tech, amazing features, and unbeatable performance. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got something for everyone. And don't forget, all the links to these tablets are in the description below. Let's get started and find your perfect match. Number 5. Gaomon PD1161. The Gaomon PD1161 is a versatile drawing tablet designed to cater to the needs of both professional artists and hobbyists alike. With its impressive 11.6-inch display, the PD1161 offers a vibrant and responsive surface for digital art creation. The full HD resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels ensures that colors are vivid and details sharp, allowing artists to fully immerse themselves in their creative work. One of the standout features of the Gaomon PD1161 is its pressure-sensitive stylus, which supports up to 192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This capability allows for nuanced control over brush strokes, enabling artists to create everything from delicate lines to bold, expressive marks with ease. The stylus is also battery-free, eliminating the need for charging and ensuring a seamless workflow. The tablet is equipped with 8 customizable shortcut keys, allowing users to set up their workspace according to their preferences and streamline their workflow. Number 4. XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro. The XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro is a remarkable drawing tablet that caters to both budding artists and seasoned professionals alike. With its compact 13.3-inch display, it offers an impressive balance of portability and functionality, making it an ideal choice for artists on the go or those with limited workspace. The tablet features a full HD resolution of 1920 x 1080, providing vibrant colors and sharp details that bring your artwork to life. One of the standout features of the Artist 13.3 Pro is its responsive pen technology. The tablet comes equipped with a battery-free stylus that boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise control over line thickness and opacity. This sensitivity ensures that every stroke feels natural, mimicking the experience of traditional drawing tools. Additionally, the stylus includes customizable buttons, enabling artists to streamline their workflow by assigning frequently used functions at their fingertips. The design of the XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro is user-friendly, featuring an adjustable stand that allows for comfortable drawing angles. The tablet also supports tilt recognition, which adds another layer of versatility for artists who utilize techniques like shading and blending. Furthermore, with a wide color gamut and excellent viewing angles, it ensures that your artwork looks stunning from every perspective. Number 3. Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M4. The Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M1 is a powerhouse of a tablet that seamlessly blends performance and versatility, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and creative enthusiasts alike. Equipped with Apple's powerful M1 chip, this device offers exceptional speed and efficiency, allowing for smooth multitasking and the ability to handle demanding applications with ease. With its stunning liquid retina display, the iPad Pro delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for graphic design, video editing, or simply enjoying your favorite media. Number 2. Huion Canvas 13 Gen 3. The Huion Canvas 13 Gen 3 is a remarkable drawing tablet that caters to both aspiring artists and seasoned professionals alike. This updated version builds upon the strengths of its predecessors while incorporating several enhancements that elevate the user experience. One of the standout features of the Canvas 13 is its vibrant 13.3-inch Full HD display, which boasts a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. This ensures that your artwork is rendered with stunning clarity and detail, allowing for a more immersive creative process. The tablet's advanced pen technology is another highlight, featuring 192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This allows for precise control over line thickness and opacity, ensuring that every stroke you make is accurately captured. Additionally, the pen is battery-free, meaning you won't have to worry about recharging it during your creative sessions. The Canvas 13 also includes tilt support, which further enhances its responsiveness and mimics the natural feel of traditional drawing. Portability is a key aspect of the Huion Canvas 13, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer to create on the go. Its lightweight design and slim profile allow it to easily fit into most backpacks, ensuring that you can take your artistic tools with you wherever you venture. Number 1. XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro is an impressive drawing tablet that caters to both professional artists and hobbyists alike. With a large 24-inch display, it provides a spacious canvas that allows users to unleash their creativity without feeling cramped. The tablet features a stunning 4K resolution, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details that bring illustrations to life. One of the standout features of the Artist 24 Pro is its advanced pen technology. The stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise control over line thickness and shading, making it feel incredibly natural to draw or paint. Additionally, the pen is battery-free, eliminating the hassle of charging and ensuring that artists can work uninterrupted. The tablet also boasts customizable shortcut keys, which streamline workflow by allowing users to assign frequently used functions to buttons easily accessible on the device. This feature significantly enhances productivity, especially during long creative sessions. Connectivity is another strong suit of the XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. It supports USB-C connections and is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and various Linux distributions. This versatility ensures that artists can integrate the tablet into their existing setups without compatibility issues.